For those of you who does not know what miracle leaf looks like, this is miracle leaf. You can see this plant called miracle leaf has a lot of spiritual potentials, a lot of spiritual powers and vibrations and frequencies. You can use it to manifest anything you want. You can use it to manifest favor. You can use it to manifest love. You can use it to manifest wealth, abundant prosperity, and etc. And we are going to be using it today to manifest so many things. So join me on today's episode of Spiritual Power Part Information. Hello viewers, and welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Chima Marta Spiritual TV. Thank you so much for stopping by. My name is Brother Chima, Priest Marta, and I am a spiritualist. And on this channel, I share spiritual tips, spiritual recipes, spiritual messages, spiritual benefits of natural resources to mankind. We teach and we learn on how to use natural resources, natural ingredients, harnessing their spiritual properties, vibrations, and frequencies in order to solve the problem of man, ranging from cleansing, healing, deliverance, attraction, love, prosperity, breakthrough, etc. by the special grace of God. And He has never failed us on this channel, and He will never fail us. And if this is your very first time of coming in contact with this face, I want to welcome you. You are highly welcome. Just feel relaxed, because this is a place where everyone is somebody. And for you, my bona fide subscribers, my returning subscribers, thank you for always being here. And today, I am preferring to all my fans all over the world that this year will be one of the best years that you have never experienced so far. This year, your blessing will run with speed to locate you, and so shall it be. On this channel, I use the power of God, the power of the universe, and the power of the ancestors in manifesting our spiritual tips. And today, I am going to be talking about one particular plant. And if you know about this particular plant, your problem is good as 85% solved. If you can harness this particular plant very well. Yes. And what plant am I talking about? I am talking about this particular plant. This particular plant. For those of you who are online, I don't know if you can put on the comment section and tell me the name of this plant, because it is called several names because of its properties, because of the grace that God gives to this particular plant. This plant is called life plant. It is called air plant. It is called miracle plant. It is called goet plant. It is called survivor plant. And also, we have the botanical name of this plant. Is it Pinachua, Canacho pinata, Canacho pinata. Listen to me, I am not an English person. I know biologist too. I'm a spiritualist, pure spiritualist. The only herbs, na him I know. It is Calacho pinata. I didn't even go to school, but I will write it down anyway on my comment section. The names of this particular plant, so that you can check it out. But look at the plant. It does a whole manner of works. And I'm going to take time to explain the works of this plant. Once you can get this plant, I am telling you, your problem is 85% solved. I am telling you, you are good to go for so many things. And if you are ready to go with me on this ride, just calm down. Make sure you watch this video to the end. Don't be in a haste. With this plant I am holding, you can get love. You can use it to manifest love. You can use it to cleanse yourself. You can use it to destroy and to repair. You can use it to manifest anything that you want to manifest. This particular plant, Ganacho pinnata, is a very powerful plant. You see this particular plant, if you just cut this plant like this and drop it somewhere that it make contact with the soil, give it few days and it will generate. Cut it from Africa and take it to America or take it to Australia. If you likes, let it stay 1 month in a nylon. Drop it where it can make contact to the soil. When you get to where you are going, give it few days, it will regenerate. So the same manner, it has spiritual ability for regeneration. It has spiritual ability for survival. It beats every odd and survive. Drop it in a mountainous place. This plant will survive. Any kind of soil you like, drop it, is going to survive. So that spiritual frequency, that vibration and properties is what we are going to harness in order to take up our spiritual matters and manifest physical blessing. So let me advertise more on my channel. If you have never subscribed to my channel, please help me quickly subscribe to my channel. Those of you that used to come here and view me and go, please, I am begging you this time around, subscribe, like my videos, and God will bless you for that. Yes, I have products for sale. I have cost breaking soap, road opening soap, and witchcraft soap and cream, back to sender soap, spiritual cleansing soap bath mixture. I also have favor soap. Then I also have love and attraction soap. Yes, and I have the back to sender soap. In case anybody throw you arrow like this, it will go back to the sender. You want palm kernel oil, you want original honey, you want alligator pepper, you want bracelets, spiritually charged, chat me and I will reply you. And if you want me to do some spiritual work and send it to you, I am available for you. Just communicate with me on my WhatsApp and I will tell you on how to go about it. I can ship any part of the world. So let's discuss. My products are trusted and tested. A trial will convince you. Yes, just place an order and we will talk about it. So back to the talk about miracle life and plant of life. It has so many health benefits and they have similarity with a bay leaf. If you want to manifest love, you can just get a leaf of it like this and write whatsoever you want to manifest on it. Yes, and pray to God over it, over your intention that you have written on it. Just one leaf. Then when you have finished doing that, yes, you can burn the leaf. When you write your manifestation, what you want to manifest on this leaf, after praying, when you have finished praying, you can burn the leaf. You want your doors to open. You want to attract favor. You want healing. You want deliverance. You want open doors. You want your man to love you more and be bringing more money. Maybe he's stingy like me. You know, there is some men that are stingy. Bring money no way. You ask for 10,000, they will give you 1,005 and hide 8,005 in the back pocket. Meanwhile, they have the money. But with this one, call their name, pray your prayer. As I use this thing to bait, you, my husband, bring out money. I must survive in your hand. If you are in a tight corner, you have a court case, and that court case has been long lingering. Whenever you go to the court, they will not say anything about it. Get the miracle plant. Speak your case upon the miracle plant. After speaking your case upon the miracle plant, pound the miracle leaf in a mortar or blend it. Yes, or blend it, or you crush it in a stone. After pounding it, put it inside the bucket of water. Add some salt. Add 7 pieces of alligator pepper and use it to bait. Yes, that is the most common part of using it. If you don't burn it, you have to pound it, or you crush it with your stone. Yes. If you have a goose that is seized somewhere, or that is hanging somewhere, or government sees your product somewhere and they are not agreeing to release it for you, just get this goet plant. Yes, get this leaf of life or miracle plant. Speak to it. Speak upon that goose. Yes, upon that goose that they have been holding. God gave us herbs, and He say it's for our own benefit. Speak to it. As I use this, speak your purpose and control it. After speaking it, that man, that woman, that government agency that is holding your goods, let them become uncomfortable. If other people are failing in that place, you are going to succeed. If they are not releasing other people's goods, as I bait with the miracle leaf, I retrieve my stuff. Use this to bait after crushing it. Maybe you are working in a place where you have a wicked boss. He's always fighting everybody, every of his subordinates. Get this leaf. Pray over it. Say, as the miracle plan survive, wherever he find himself, in that office, I must survive. I must excel. I must find favor. After that, put it in your mortar, crush it, add it salt, use it to bath. Now you are having bad dream. You are having bad luck. All those nonsense. Yes. Use miracle plant. Say your intention to it. Crush it with your mortar. Add some salt and use it to bait. You will not experience bad dream again. If you are having bad luck, still do the same thing. Miracle leaf has so many spiritual benefits. You are a business line, and in that line of your business, nobody is making it. Market is dull. They say one spirit in that line or one occult person in that line is controlling the affairs of that line, so nobody will make it. It's a lie. Go and get this leaf. Say your intention. As nobody is making it on this line, I, Chima, I am going to make it on this line. Say your intention and crush it and use it to bait. Add it to salt, and you will see what will happen. You will begin to make sales on that line. You can even chew it. It's edible. Yes. You want to ask something for something. You want to ask favors for somebody. You can use this. Yes. After praying with goet leaf, you want somebody to favor you. You are going for something, for an appointment. You want to get something from somebody. Pray over this. Say your intention of what you want to manifest. Add 7 pieces of alligator pepper. Chew it and go for that appointment. You will see. And if you want to make breakthrough oil, you want to make prosperity oil, you want to make favor oil, just get your olive oil and get this leaf, squeeze it and put it inside that oil. You will see. Yes. If you want to survive in what you are doing, make this plant your friend. make your prayers over it. This is not juju, it's not charm. God created it and he gave us different powers. So he gave plant their own gift. As he has given you the gift to see, he give this plant the gift to heal. If your children are not doing well in school, your children are stubborn, you have a stubborn child, they doesn't listen to you, get this, crush it, speak to it for retentive memory. Speak to it and use it to wash your children's head. That forgetful memory will come back. This leaf is a magical leaf. This leaf is so spiritual. This leaf is highly endowed by God. This leaf is a miracle leaf. In a shop where you are, everybody will be selling and you remain stagnant. You are not selling. Crush this one. Make your intention known. Put salt inside it. Sprinkle it in that shop. Market will start selling. Customers will start coming. And you can equally sprinkle this in your house where you are living. Yes, in some compound that you just park in. Even if you are prospering before, you park in some compound, you will see your prosperity will run. Crush this, put it inside a bucket of water or a bowl. Bless it in the name of Jesus Christ. Add salt to it. Read Psalm 29, read Psalm 35, read Psalm 61 over it, and pray and sprinkle it inside your house. If no one is prospering, you will start prospering, because the Bible say, when they say there is a downcasting, we shall be saying there is a lifting up. This plant can be used to take care of eye problem. If you are having ear problem, you can use it to take care of your ear problem. If you normally scratch your eyes, squeeze this miracle leaf and put a drop of it inside your eye. It will work like an eye drop. It's going to clear every ringworm in your eyes. So this is a miracle plant, and this is a favor that the universe has blessed us with. Please look for it. Google it. You will find it. It is everywhere. It is not hard to see. Make use of it and come back to your testimony. Yes, I will be waiting for your testimony. At this junction, I have come to the end of this video concerning this miracle leaf. I will also be here with another power pack information that will benefit each and every one of you. And if you have never subscribed to my channel yet, don't hesitate to subscribe, and God bless you. Have a nice day.